Hello everybody, in these exercises we're going to be finding the total surface area of cones. Total surface area will follow this formula. T equals pi RL, where R is the radius, L is the lateral surface area. Then we're going to add pi r squared, which is the area of the base of each cone, just the area of a circle. So, in number 1, pi times 9 times 12, and then we're going to add to that pi r squared for the area of the base. And in the calculator, all of it yields 678.6 centimeters squared. Number 2, now we got to figure out the slant height here. We have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. There's 30 degrees down here, 60 degrees up here. Alright, looks like our short side is 5. The hypotenuse is going to be twice the short side, 10. So that's our slant height. Just plugging everything in, we get pi times the radius of 5 times the slant height of 10 plus 25 pi. And I get that 25 from squaring the radius. Alright, altogether it comes out to 235.6 square feet. That is the total surface area of number 2. For number 3, we have the slant height of 13, height of 12. We need to use Pythagorean theorem to help us find this radius. Call that x. X squared plus 12 squared will equal 13 squared. X would then in turn be the square root of 13 squared minus 12 squared. And that x then is 5. So we have a radius of 5, plugging in the formula pi RL, pi times the radius times the slant height of 13, plus pi r squared, pi times 25. Alright, putting all this together, 282.7 square centimeters. That's the total surface area of that cone. For number 4, we have the radius of 4. We need the slant height. Well, we'll see that this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Both legs are 4. The hypotenuse is 4, radical 2, and that also serves as the slant height. T equals pi times the radius 4 times slant height 4 radical 2 plus pi r squared. Here's pi, the radius is 4, 4 squared is 16. All this in the calculator yields 121.4 inches squared. Alright, number 5, radius of diameter 40, that means our radius is 20. Alright, we have a slant height of 26. Let's put everything in. Pi times radius times slant height. Add to that pi times the radius squared. 20 squared is 400. Putting all this in the calculator, 2,890.3 square meters. There we go. 6, we have pi times the radius. Now we got to figure out the radius. 30, 60, 90 triangle. The long side is 8, radical 3. Short side then would be just plain old 8. And the hypotenuse or slant height is twice 8, 16. So there's our measurements we need. Pi times radius of 8 times the slant height of 16. And then we're going to add to that the area of the circle, pi r squared, pi times 64. Okay, everything in the calculator, 603.2 square yards.